Hi there, students. An autopsy, or uncountable noun, autopsy. So countable or uncountable. Let's see. Autopsy is where a pathologist examines a dead body to discover the cause of death. Yeah, you have a pathologist who carries out or performs an autopsy. This is something very often you see in these police dramas where there's a murder and they find a dead body, and then the dead body goes to the coroner, who carries out an autopsy on the body. So the autopsy, it's a post-mortem examination, yeah, to find out the cause of death. It can also actually be carried out on an organ as well to discover the extent of a disease, yeah. But a pathologist carries out an autopsy. But notice we can use this metaphorically. You know, when things go wrong, yeah, and then a company or a group hold a meeting to examine what went wrong in and the causes of that. You can also call this an autopsy. So, unfortunately, we lost the match on Saturday, and Sunday the coach held an autopsy, yeah, into what went wrong and why we lost the match. Okay, so this autopsy, it's looking at the reasons why the team failed. Yeah, it's examining things after the fact, trying to find the causes of failure. Yeah, businesses, yeah, where a strategy goes wrong and there are problems, then the management or the boss will hold an autopsy to find out what went wrong, what actually caused the problem, where it came from. Maybe there is an election, an election campaign, and then afterwards you hold or the party holds an autopsy to understand why it lost. I think actually you can also probably hold an autopsy even if you win, to examine the things that went wrong. Yeah, I think the most important thing of this is a critical assessment after the fact. Yeah, so a post-election autopsy to find out what went wrong. Yeah, is to look at the circumstances and find out. So an autopsy is cutting open a post-mortem of on a dead body to discover what happened. Notice there is also this word, a necropsy, but this, normally a necropsy is for an animal, where an autopsy is normally reserved for humans. Yeah, so the autopsy, examination of a body after death to find out why this person died. Yeah, and then you can go from there metaphorically. An after the fact examination of something, an evaluation to find out why things didn't go to plan, why things didn't work, and to be able to plan again in the future how to avoid these problems. Okay, so an autopsy. Let's see, as to formality, I think this word, an autopsy, 6 in formality, maybe 6.5, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. I think informally, poof. Well, yeah, for the medical thing, it's an autopsy, a post-mortem. I think for a business or something like that, maybe just a meeting to find out what happened. And then as to origin, okay, this one actually comes from ancient Greek, autopos, meaning self-revealed, from autos, self, and optos, seen. So it's seen by yourself. Autos, optos, seen by yourself. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, and autopsy.